Okay, so please everyone keep your cameras open. No one is allowed to close your camera. Keep your notebook and pencil along with you to note down your lecture. Okay, beta. So I'm going to start our topic. Today our topic is about gymnosperms. Gymnosperms. If you are feeling any difficulty, so please just send me a message in chat box. Okay. So let's start our topic. Gymnosperms. About angiosperm we have discussed before. Now our topic is gymnosperms. Okay. So what are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms comes from the two Greek words. Gymnos. Gymnos means naked, means they do not have any covering. Gymnosperm seed do not have any covering upon it, just like unlike angiosperm. Angiosperms have covering upon it, but gymnosperms have no covering. They have naked seeds. Okay, and sperma means seeds. So next point is the gymnosperms are the seed producing plant. Angiosperms are also the seed producing plant, and gymnosperms are also the seed producing plant. Both are seed producing plant. But the difference is that angiosperms produce seeds, angiosperms produce seeds with fruits, and gymnosperms produce seeds without fruits because they do not have fruits in their seeds. Okay, and angiosperms produce seeds with fruits. This is the difference between angiosperms and gymnosperms. Okay. Now our next point is they are differentiated into ovary, style and stigma. As we have discussed in angiosperms, the angiosperms are divided into three types, into style, stigma and ovary. I also have mentioned in your picture. Okay. But the difference is that gymnosperms are not differentiated into ovary, style and stigma. Means stigma is absent in gymnosperms. They are pollinated directly by the wind, as angiosperms pollinated by stigma, but gymnosperms are not pollinated by stigma, they are pollinated directly by the wind. Here are the few pictures of gymnosperms you can see there. Okay, I will show you some more pictures in further slides. Okay, next, more about gymnosperms. They develop needle-like leaves. Needle-like leaves matlab needle-like leaves, the leaf which has long, needle-like leaf means the leaf which are long and thick. This is called needle-like leaves. Needle-like leaves are long and thick in shape. That's why we called it the gymnosperms develop needle-like leaves. Okay, they are found on colder regions. Just wait it. Okay. Okay, so they are found in They are found in colder regions where snowfall occurs. Gymnosperm plants are mostly found on colder regions where snowfall occurs. Okay. Gymnosperms have no flowers or fruits unlike angiosperms because angiosperms have fruits and flowers, but gymnosperms have no flowers or no fruits. This is the second difference between angiosperms and gymnosperm plants. Okay, and they have naked seeds. I told you before they have naked seeds मतलब they have no covering. इनके ऊपर कोई केस नहीं होता, कोई covering नहीं होती. They are naked seeds on the surface of leaves. Okay. Now we have four divisions of gymnosperms. As angiosperm, we have two divisions, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Seems to be like that. Gymnosperms have four divisions, but we will discuss about three divisions. This is the basic divisions. Conifers, cycads and ginkgo. Conifers, cycads and ginkgo. Okay. Now, types of gymnosperms. Types of gymnosperms. Number one is conifers. Here are the few pictures of conifers. You can see that. Conifers are cone-like shape. Conifers are cone-like shape. We all know very well about cone-like shape. That is both cone-like shape. I'm showing the picture of cone-like shape. Just like that. See, this is the cone-like shape picture. Okay. Those of the conifers have this type of shape. Conifer. That's why we called it conifers. Okay. Now, conifers. Just let me know. Everyone is able to hear me, class. Everyone is able to hear me. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Everyone is able to hear me. Okay. Very good. Excellent. Some students are waiting for me, so I'm going to joining it. Okay. Now come to the types of gymnosperms. Conifers. What are conifers? Conifers are mostly evergreen tree with needle-like leaves. Okay, means they also have needle-like leaves. I told you before that what are needle-like leaves? Those leaves which are long and thick. This is called needle-like leaves. Okay, so conifers are mostly evergreen tree. They look like green tree. They are seed plants, but seeds are not enclosed in a fruit. I told you before that all the examples and all the divisions of genus plants are not enclosed in a fruit. Okay, but are born on woody cones. They are born in woody cones. So you can see that in that picture that they are attached with wood. All the trees of gymnosperms are attached with the woods. Okay. Some examples of conifer tree are here. Umbrella pine. You can see that picture. Umbrella pine. Umbrella pine. Umbrella pine. Next example is pine tree. See, this is the picture of pine tree. This is the picture of pine tree. Okay, everyone. Now our next example is cycads. Cycads. Cycads are hard, evergreen plants. They are also evergreen plants that grow in sand or hard rock. Mostly they grow in sand and hard rocks. मतलब जहाँ rocks होंगी जहाँ sand होंगी ये वहाँ पर grow करते हैं cycads. Okay. They may prefer some protection. ये हमें protection देते हैं from hot यानी कि heat से ही हमें protection देंगे. Afternoon sun दोपहर में सूरज की जो गर्मी होती है उससे ये हमें जो है क्या करते हैं protection देते हैं. Most species resent full shade मतलब they provide us shade. ये हमें क्या provide करते हैं? Shade provide करते हैं. Okay. I am going to show the picture of some cycad plant. You can see that plant. Their leaves are long, so they can easily provide shade to us. See, they can easily provide shade to us. Okay, this is the other examples of some cycad plant. Okay, everyone. Now our next topic is Kingo. 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 Mubashir said properly. Ali Salman said properly. Good. Okay. Everyone is able to hear me? Everyone is able to hear me, class? Yes, Mohammed Danish. What do you want to ask, beta?
Yes, I want to ask that what are the four divisions?
Hmm. Yeah, there are four divisions, but we'll discuss about three divisions. It's more important. Okay. Okay, Danish.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yes, Vania. What do you want to ask, Vania? What do you want to ask, Vania? Vania, unmute your mic and ask to me. What do you want to ask?
There is no screen.
Sorry,
There is no screen.
स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही आपको?
Yes, teacher, there is no screen.
किसी को भी स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही है?
Yes, yes, किसी को भी नहीं आ रही नजर. Teacher, I want to ask. नहीं आ रही
Now, now,
स्क्रीन नहीं है.
now,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Now you are able to see the screen, class.
Yes, miss. Yes, अपने सर आ रही है मिस.
Okay.
Yes, miss. अब दिख रही है मिस.
Good. So I,
मेरी आवाज आ रही है तुमको?
I'm going to show the again the picture of gymnosperms. Everyone is
तब आ रही है.
okay.
मिस फिर से रिपीट कर दे लेक्चर.
Everyone is able to see the picture.
Yes. Yes, wait.
Hello. Now please, all your mics be muted. All your mics be muted. Everyone, please keep your mic muted.
Okay, miss.
Keep your mic muted. Everyone.
Okay, miss. लेक्चर में बंद कर रहा हूँ. हेलो मिस. मिस रिपीट द लेक्चर.
Everyone, please keep your mic muted and stop writing on the board. Stop writing on the board. Who is writing on the board?
उसकी स्क्रीन पे कोई लिख रहा है.
Just wait.
मिस.
Okay. Now listen. Again, I am going to gymnosperms. Gymnosperms comes from two Greek words. Everyone is able to see the picture?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now
Yes,
please
miss.
keep your mic muted. Please keep your mic muted. Again, I am going to tell you gymnosperms come from two Greek words. Gymnosperma. Gymnos means naked seed and sperma means seed. Okay. Okay. Now gymnosperms are the seed producing plant but produce seeds without fruits. Okay. They are not differentiated into ovary, style and stigma. Since stigma is absent, they are pollinated directly by wind. Okay, as I explained you before. Next slide is more about gymnosperms. Gymnosperm develop needle-like leaves. What is needle-like leaf? Means the leaves which are long and thick in size. They are called needle-like leaves. Okay, they are found on colder regions where snowfall occurs. They are mostly found in colder regions where snowfall occurs. Okay. Next point is gymnosperms have no flowers or fruits unlike angiosperms because angiosperms have flowers and fruits but gymnosperms have no flowers and fruits. They have naked seeds on the surface of leaves. Okay. We have four divisions of gymnosperms but we will discuss about only three divisions because these three are more important. Okay. Number one is conifers, number two is cycads and number two is Kingo. Okay. Now, they are the types of gymnosperms. Number one is conifers. They are the picture of conifers. Picture of conifers. Look, what are conifers? Conifers are mostly evergreen trees with needle-like leaves. All the gymnosperm plants mostly have needle-like leaves. Okay, they are seed plants, but their seeds are not enclosed in a fruit because they are not angiosperms. They are gymnosperm plants. That's why they are not enclosed in a fruit. Okay, they are directly attached with woody cones. They are directly attached with woody cones. See, okay. Here are some examples of conifer tree. Umbrella pine. See, look in the picture. In umbrella pine, stop writing on the board. Stop writing on the board. Okay. Umbrella pine. You can see that their leaves are directly attached with wood. Their leaves are directly attached with wood. Okay. Now next example is pine tree. What is pine tree? Pine tree. Next is cycads. Next example is cycads. Please everyone let me confirm. Are you able to hear me class? Let me know.
Yes.
Is everyone is able to hear me?
Yes.
Is everyone able to hear me?
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes, miss.
everyone,
Yes.
everyone can see the screen. Everyone can see the screen. Okay, good. Now I'm going to again mute your mic.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Next is cycads. Cycads are hard evergreen plants that grow in sand or hard rocks. Cycads are also the hard and evergreen plants that are mostly grow in sand and hard rocks. यानी कि जहाँ पे रेत होगी, जहाँ पर ज़्यादा hard rocks होंगी, ये ज़्यादातर वहाँ पर grow करते हैं. ठीक है. Next point is they may prefer some protection. They provide us protection from hot, means afternoon sun. Most species resent full shade. Means they provide us shade. Cycads की जितनी भी ट्रीज हैं आपको शेड प्रोवाइड करते हैं फ्रॉम आफ्टरनून सन. ओके. Here are the picture of cycad plant. See, you can see their leaves are so long and thick, so they can easily provide you shade and protect you from sun and from hot environment. Okay. Next is Kingo. Next is Kingo. Kingo, one of the most distinct and beautiful of all deciduous trees. Deciduous trees. Deciduous trees means deciduous trees वो trees होते हैं जो अपने लीफ को हर साल जो है वो फॉल करते हैं ड्यूरिंग ऑटम सीजन. जिनके लीफ जो है वो हर साल फॉल हो जाते हैं ड्यूरिंग वाटर सीजन, ड्यूरिंग ऑटम सीजन. ठीक है. दे हैव यूनिक फैन शेप. इनकी जो शेप होती है वो कैसी होती है? जस्ट fan like shape leaves turn a stunning yellow color in the fall. ऑटम सीजन में जब ये फॉल होते हैं तो ये किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? ग्रीन से किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? येलो कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. Kingo plants in autumn season they will convert their color into yellow. Okay. Next is it may control urban conditions. ये हमारी कुछ अर्बन कंडीशन से कंट्रोल करता है जैसे कि हीट को कंट्रोल करता है. इसके अलावा हमारे एयर पोल्यूशन को आल्सो दे कंट्रोल एंड सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स. Okay. Now I am going to show the picture of Kingo plant. See, you can see that the difference. This is so beautiful, and see this is the green color which is normally in summer, winter, and summer, winter, and spring season. But in autumn season, they will convert into yellow color and start to fall. और ये गिरना शुरू हो जाता है. ठीक है. Okay everyone. Yes अभिया.
मिस
जी.
मिस मुझे ये समझना आपने एंजोल ये जो जिनको जो समझाया है उसका मुझे फर्स्ट पॉइंट समझ में नहीं आया है.
Which point are you asking about अभिया? Please let me clear.
मिस जिन जो लिखा था जिनको इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्लांट और उसके नीचे पे पता नहीं क्या लिखा था वो ठीक से मुझे याद नहीं.
Okay अभिया, just listen to me first. Just you are sitting in classroom. So try to speak in English. Whenever you want to ask any question, just try to speak in English and ask the question in English. Okay, you are sitting in a classroom. Okay, and I'm going to again repeat the points about Kingo. And not Jingo, it's Kingo. Okay.
Miss, please repeat the answer and those from also.
About
Enjoys
Kingo.
that produce seed with that sentence.
About Kingo, we want to ask about Kingo plant.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm going to discuss. So, see, look at the point. Kingo, one of the most distinct and beautiful of all deciduous trees. Deciduous trees कौन सी trees होते हैं? मैंने आप लोगों को बताया जिनके leaves fall होते हैं autumn season में. ठीक है. Okay, next is they have unique fan shape. इनकी shape कैसे हो? They are fan shape leaves turn a stunning yellow color in the fall season. In the autumn season, their colors will be turned into yellow color. From green, they will convert their colors into yellow. Okay. Yes, Abhiya. Yes, everyone is allowed to unmute your mic. Ask one by one. One by one. First Yusra will ask. Yes, Yusra, what do you want to ask? What do you want to ask, Yusra?
माइक खुल चुका है, कोई आवाज ना करे प्लीज.
Yusra, what do you want to ask? Yusra, what do you want to ask? I am able to hear your voice, Yusra. What are you saying?
आप समझा दें.
क्या समझा दूं? एंजियोस्पर्म समझा दूं? You are asking about angiosperm? Okay, beta, just message you on WhatsApp and I'm able to hear your voice. Yes, Vania. Vania, what do you want to ask, beta? Vania, can you hear me? Vania, Ali Salman, yes. Ali Salman.
मिस कुछ नहीं.
Do you want to ask any question regarding today's lecture? So you can ask.
Teacher, I want to.
Yes, what do you want to ask? Yes.
Teacher, please share the screen of all about more about gymnosperms.
Okay, I'm going to share. I'm going to share the screen of more about gymnosperms. Okay. Just wait. Just wait with us.
And teacher, kindly share the screen of the cycads.
Okay, I am going to share the pictures one by one each topic. Okay.
Teacher, please explain more about ginkgo.
More about gymnosperms.
Yes.
Is mute all your mics. Mute all your mics, class. Mute all your mics. ठीक है? Yes, Sinan.
Teacher, I want to write the lecture, so I am.
Teacher, kindly share the screen of cycads.
Okay, I'm going to share each slide one by one. See, types of gymnosperms, conifers. Okay.
मिस किसी का बेल बजी.
Next is
हेलो.
keep your mic muted. Please keep your mic muted, everyone. Keep your mic muted. Cycads. Who is asking about cycads? Cycads. Cycads. Okay, class. So the time is up now. Now listen to me, everyone. Everyone listen to me. Everyone listen to me. Time is up now. So yes, class. Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Can you hear me? Time is up now, class. So
बेटा मुझे 5 साल का आ गया.
listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully first. Listen to me carefully first. जिन स्टूडेंट्स को कल प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, पूछ रहे थे कल मिस क्विज हमारा सही नहीं हो रहा और कोई हमें इनकरेक्ट आंसर दे रहा था, तो आई विल शेयर अ लिंक ओवर हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ लिंक ओवर हियर.
मिस कल होगा हमारा टेस्ट.
मैं यहाँ लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ और आप क्लास खत्म होने के बाद
माइक खुला हुआ है.
क्लास खत्म होने के बाद तमाम स्टूडेंट वो क्विज यहाँ से सॉल्व करेंगे. क्लास खत्म होने के बाद तमाम स्टूडेंट
आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही.
टीचर मिस अभी करेंगे हम लोग टेस्ट.
अभी नहीं, जब क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी आप लोग यहाँ से वो पिक करेंगे. ठीक है,
मिस आज
आज ही, और आज ही मुझे सबमिट
मिस
करवाएंगे.
अभी इस क्लास की बात करना है अपना क्विज.
अब मुझे जल्दी से
अभी
बताइए आप
टेस्ट
लोगों
होगा
को,
मेरा.
मुझे भी बताइए आप लोगों को इस मिल के.
तो टीचर नहीं
तो
मिला लिंक.
मिस मेरे पास
नहीं
नहीं आई.
टीचर. मिस आप व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दें.
ओके, आई विल सेंड ऑन व्हाट्सएप.
एवरीवन पे क्लिक करके एंटर दबा.
I will send in WhatsApp group. So time is up now,
Okay.
class. So please take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. I will share the link
Allah
to
Hafiz.
homework in on Wednesday. You can check it from here.
मिस लिंक किधर भेजनी है?
अल्लाह हाफिज़.
व्हाट्सएप पे भेजेंगे ना.